Previously on Tay-Tay's farm tour, Taylor Swift and her friend Selena Gomez showed around her nice new farm. Meanwhile, Megan Thee Stallion slipped away and burned down the town. For what reason? We don't know. Then that night, as Tay-Tay and Selena were sleeping, a hater-ass bitch named Baldy came into their farm and stole their sheep. Will they ever find him? Let's find out.
Hey buddy, can I come in and talk to you for a sec? Taylor! I've been thinking, Selena, instead of you moping around here all day, why don't we just go ahead and look for our sheep? It can't hurt to look for them again.
Yeah, but whoever stole them probably cooked them and ate them by now.
Oh, Selena, don't be silly. People aren't that evil. Come on, let's go look for them again. Maybe we'll find them this time.
Okay.
Now come on, buddy. Let's go see if we can find them again. Well, before we start looking for them, I got something to show you, Selena.
Ooh, a surprise?
Yeah, follow me. Okay, we're almost there.
Where are you taking me? This better not be a prank, Taylor.
It's not, buddy, I promise. Okay, look over here.
Oh my God! You made this yourself, Taylor?
Yep, I did it last night. Come on, let's look inside.
Okay. Oh my God, this is so nice. It smells good in here. Oh my God, wow. This is really nice, Taylor. Oh my God.
Hey, Selena, come up here.
Coming.
What? Okay, go in that door right there.
What door?
The one I'm looking at right there.
Oh, okay. Ooh, it's nice in here. Is this my room?
Okay, now look in that chest right there.
Oh, okay. Okay, what is it? Oh my God, Taylor, are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
what the fuck?
Yeah.
Okay. What is going on? You got a Taco Bell for this? Oh my God.
Factory.
Oh my God, we're going to Taco Bell factory. Oh my God, this is amazing, Taylor.
Yep, I knew that'd cheer you up. Come on, buddy. We can head over there right now.
Oh my God, this is going to be amazing. Oh my God, I cannot wait.
Okay, now coming up on your right side is the Taco Bell factory.
Oh my God, I can see it. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. I can smell the grease from the meat. Oh my God, I can't wait to go in.
Howdy! You're welcome to the Taco Bell factory.
Hola! We're here for the Taco Bell tour. Oh my God, we're so excited.
Yeah. What's going on?
I don't know. Is she okay?
Screw this. Let's just do a tour ourselves, Selena.
Oh, okay.
So I seen that this is a dressing room, so they have to have lab coats in here, right? If you find a lab coat, Selena, put it on, because I don't want any of our cute-looking overalls getting dirty.
Okay. Ooh, I found some, Taylor. Ooh, these feel nice. Oh, Taylor, let me see what you look like. Oh, looking good, girl.
Thank you, buddy. Ain't looking bad yourself. Oh, and check out what's on the back, Selena.
Oh my God, that is so adorable! Oh my God, this place is amazing.
Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and start this tour now.
Yes, I'm so excited! Okay, let me go first, Taylor. All right, Taylor, okay. So this first room is where the meat is all processed to be that beautiful consistency, the nice chunky meat that's so delicious. Okay, yeah. So this is where it's all cut up and ground up and stuff. All right, this next room is where the meat is seasoned, so it can start this cooking process. And yeah, oh yes, I can just smell it right now. Oh, I wish I could go in there. And then this is where the meat is put into packages so it can be sent out to all the Taco Bells in the world. And so yeah, that's basically it.
Very interesting, buddy. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna have to go to the right because that area is off limits.
Off limits? What's over there?
Selena, you don't want to go over there. There might be asbestos or something.
What?
Now come on, the rest of the tour is this way.
I don't care. I must know the Taco Bell secrets.
Selena, come back here.
Oh my God, it's so dark in here. Oh.
Congratulations, Selena, you found a dark room. Come on, let's get out of here.
No, Taylor, there must be secrets in here. See, look at this chest over here. There's a lever inside.
Wow, great.
And it must go right here. Oh, what the heck?
Something out here? Oh, shit. What is all this?
I don't know. Wait, there's a sign.
Caution, molten cheese.
Oh my god, this is cheese. No wonder why it smells so good.
Ow. Oh my god, this shit burns.
Yeah, it's hot, Taylor. Be careful. This looks like an obby from Roblox. I'm going for it. I'm good at these.
Selena, be careful.
I know what I'm doing, Taylor. I am the master at these.
Okay.
All right, almost there. Come on, Taylor. Oh, yeah, there, we did it. Wow, this looks like the taco that's on your back, Taylor. It's beautiful. What's in here?
Whoa!
God, what the heck?
Man, what the heck's going on down here? Hey, look, Selena, there's some trolleys over there.
Ooh, it's like a little ride.
Yeah, let's try it out.
Wow, this is so cool.
Yeah, it's like some underground Taco Bell ride or something. Ooh, a hump. Oh, shit, it goes down. Selena, help!
Oh my god, Taylor! No! God, this is scary. I don't know what to do. Taylor! Oh my god, it's stopping. Oh my god, it's a dead end? Oh. Ah!
Hey,
Ew!
Selena. I hope you're enjoying the tour.
No! God, there's more? Oh my god, is this thing gonna start? Oh my god, where's Taylor? Taylor!
Oh, get me off this damn thing!
Taylor, I'm here! Are you okay? Oh no! Whoa, it's speeding up! Oh god! Slow down! No! Whoa! Ah! Oh! I thought I was gonna run into the cheese! What? Megan? What is going on? Oh my gosh, she's here too? God, let me get off of this thing! Oh no. Oh my god, finally! Oh wow, what is that? Okay. Whoa!
Well. It looks like you made it, Selena. Hey, look. I have your sheep.
What do you want, Baldy? Give me back my sheep now!
Haha, not so fast, my darling. You have something I need. Give me Ariana's phone number and I'll hand over the sheep.
Oh yeah? Well, it looks like I have Ariana's limited edition pink bedspread.
What? How did you get that?
Oh, and look, I'm getting closer to the edge. Oh, it would be bad if something happened to it.
Give it to me now! Give it to me!
Oops, my finger slipped.
No! Ariana, no!
Wow, he's such a loser.
Oh my god. Selena?
Taylor! You're here!
Hey, look, Selena. Our sheep are up there.
Yeah, I know. Baldy put them in there.
What the heck? Baldy? Man, fuck that bald bitch. Let's get our sheep out of here. Come on, guys. What the heck? Okay. Come on, guys. It's time to finally go home. Oh, man. I can't imagine what these sheep have gone through with that bald motherfucker.
Yeah, I know. But I'm glad I found them.
Yes, you did, buddy. Good job. Well, I see there's an exit over here, so I'll race you to the exit.
Meanwhile, let me tell you something. This watermelon is so good.